the roaster rack that it came with. It's a roaster by West Bend from Sam's Club that I got with Sam's Cash. So here is the lid. I like the lid. So the lid I had before, or the roaster I had before, the lid was like black paint and it was like peeling eventually. I've had it for many years, but I hope this wouldn't be a thing here. It doesn't look like that's like painted. So the inside of my last roaster was painted black like this. So I think that this is not painted, so let's hope for the best. So a nice domed lid. Was this inside here? Okay. So styrofoam. And so the plug is there. Before I lift the whole thing out, I did want to show that the insert, this comes out. So it's very good capacity, very large, and it's smooth right here where your hands grab it so you don't cut yourself. The edges, they're not smooth right here though, so, but you don't grab from right there, you grab from right here. So this is nice. I have seen roasters where there is not a removable insert, and I don't know how the heck you're supposed to clean those. But let me turn it around. And there it is. So here are the settings. Minimum, keep warm, and then it gets to like a 200. Ooh, a defrost, which is about 275, I'm assuming, up to 450. So really cool. Roasters are awesome. They come in handy for cooking for crowds. There was even a time where my pot roast didn't fit in a crock pot. We like a lot of the vegetables and enough meat and vegetables. It just always did better in a roaster. So you can slow cook in a roaster. You can obviously roast, keep things nice and warm. Yeah, and then it doesn't take up the space of your oven. So really, really cool. It fits up to a 20-pound turkey. You can, like I said, roast, bake, slow cook, and then you can just serve straight from it. It's got the dome lid, like I said, and it includes a removable roasting rack. So you could just lift whatever it is up. And yeah, very good. I'm excited to try it. I'm excited to use it.